In this lesson, we learn properties of natural resources part 2 water, standard 7th. There are many properties of water: water in liquid state, density of water, anomalous behavior of water. First, water in liquid state. Under ordinary conditions, water is in liquid state. It does not have definite shape, but it has volume. Water is a fluid substance. So, when we pouring the water into vessel, water takes the shape of vessel. Here you see there are many vessels. You see that the water takes the shape of vessels. Water does not have its own shape. The second property of water is density of water. In the first picture, you see ice float on the water. Why do we see the ice float on water? Ice is lighter than water. When water freezes to form ice, it becomes lighter than original liquid. When water freezes, that is, when it transforms into the solid state, its volume increases. Therefore, the density of ice is less than that of water. That is why the ice float on water. Density means the interrelation between volume and mass of a substance. Density is equal to mass upon volume. Mass is measured in grams and volume in cubic centimeter. Hence, density is equal to gram per cc. Hence, gram per cubic centimeter is the unit of density. You see the another picture. In that picture, there is a first A, there is a potato which goes down, and another picture B, that is the salt solution, and on salt solution potato float. Why this happen? Because when salt dissolve in the water, the density of water increases and potato becomes lighter than the density of salt solution. So potato float on the water. The third property of water is anomalous behavior of water. Usually, when the temperature of a substance is lowered, its density increases as the volume decreases. But water is an exception to this rule. The density of water is peculiar. When water is at normal temperature starts cooling, its density increases like that of most liquids. However, if its temperature falls below 4 degrees centigrade, its density starts decreasing. This means that the density of water is maximum of 4 degrees centigrade. If the temperature of water is lowered below 4 degrees centigrade, its density decreases and volume increases. It means that water expands when the temperature falls below 4 degrees centigrade. This is called anomalous behavior of water. In snowy region, this anomalous behavior we found there. Solute. Solute means the substance that dissolves. Solvent means the substance in the solute dissolves. Solution means what we get when the solute dissolves in the solvent. We take an example. Salt dissolve in water. When Salt dissolved in water. The salt is a solute. Water is solvent and solution of salt and water is mix. Dissolution of salt and water means the solution of salt and water. There are another uses of water according to its properties. First is water is useful for water transport due to its fluidity. Water falling down from a height is used generating electricity with the help of generator. Second, water is a good coolant. Water is a good coolant and is used in motor vehicles to control the temperature of the engine. Third, water is useful for cleaning purposes. Water is useful for cleaning purposes as bathing, washing clothes. Many substances are soluble in water. Water is an universal solvent. Water is used as a solvent in factories, laboratories, foodstuffs, and various types of biological process occurring in the body such as digestion, excretion.